Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rashi and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do these colorful purple eyes. Super simple, super easy, but before we go ahead, you have to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup. And before you do your makeup, before we start doing this together, make sure you've moisturized your skin, tied your hair like I'm doing right now, and let's start this video. Now I'm all ready. I'm going to start with the primer. I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This has become like my favorite and the most handy primers to use for at least my daily uses. So I'm not using a corrector today. Today I'm straight moving to a concealer. I'm using my old favorite caramel shade from Maybelline Age Rewind and applying it all on my pigmented areas, under my eyes, around my mouth, on the corner of my nose and anywhere on the face. To the foundation, yes, it's the Fit Me Matte and Poreless from Maybelline, and the shade that I'm using is Natural Buff, which is 230. For my under eyes highlighting, I'm using that magic potion that I've been mentioning about a lot. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin concealer and just brightening up my eye area and the under eye area. I'm not going to put it really anywhere else. Maybe a little on the bridge of my nose, but not doing it too much. Time now for cream contouring. I'm using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick, and this is Y505. And I'm doing a little extra because I can see some winter weight on my face, so I'm just going to go a little overboard with my cream contouring today. Let's lose it. Let's lose the weight. All right, time now to blend it, and I'm doing it in fast forward motion. You please do it in slow motion. Make sure you're blending it, you're pushing in the product because you want it to look very natural. For the nose, I'm starting with the brush. I've just discovered this technique that when you use the brush, and place the product, brush it, it's a little more sharper on the nose when you just start with the brush, and then you can end it with a beauty blender. I'm now going to bake, and for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder and strong baking, guys. This time I'm going to leave it for a while, at least 5 to 7 minutes, so easily. And also baking my cheekbone, that jawline. You want that chiseled, bilkul like cutter. Just setting the rest of my face with the leftover powder with that same beauty blender. You can do it with a brush as well, but you can use your same beauty blender as well. Time now for the brows. Jab tak the baking is happening, let's do the brows, guys. And I'm using the shade Ebony. This is the Anastasia Brow Pomade. What satisfaction after doing my brows, guys. Wow. Okay, now to do these purple eyes, of course, you need a brilliant purple eyeshadow palette, and that's my broken palette. It's very shameful of me to even show you. That's the first shade that I'm using, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease just to start with, because we're going to go from light to dark. Now that's done. I'm going to move to the second shade that you see, a little darker purple again, a little darker, more on the mauve side. And I'm just deepening my crease more and the outer corners more. And then I take that dark shade and make it all the more darker. Now this is really going to give some depth to my kind of eyes. And a strong crease, you guys know it, has a much deeper impact. Time to fill in the lid, and that's the first glitter shade that I'm taking. I actually have wet my brush, so you can do the same. You're gonna get like more pigment on your brush, and I'm filling half of my inner corner, half of my inner eye with that color, and the outer I'm filling up with that dark shimmery purple. So just doing it on both of my eyes, and you can easily see we have got a beautiful light to dark thing happening on the eye. Just make sure that you do not have sharp edges in the center. You've just blended both the shades very smoothly. Getting rid of that baking and finishing my under eye, I have taken the same purple that I had done on the outer corner and applying it under my lower lashes. Now applying the mascara, and I'm not going to be applying any kajal, any liner. I just want the purple, no blackness at all. Setting my contour with the Kevyn Aucoin medium sculpting powder. Just making it sure that it just stays and it's really sharp. This highlighter, guys, if you do not want an expensive highlighter, this is the highlighter you need to purchase. Wet n Wild Precious Petals. It is a beauty. For blush today, I'm using Dolly Mix from MAC Cosmetics India, and it is like a shimmery pink. It does have shimmer. It is not a matte blush, guys. For my lips, I am wearing Gulabe from Smashbox, and there you go. That's how quickly we did this look today. And I think I'm missing something. Yes, the makeup spray. You have to do this if you want your makeup to stay. You have to spray. So that's my final look, guys. The purple eyes. I hope I made it very fun and easy for you. Come back very soon. Subscribe to my channel. Find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup. Take care of yourself and see you.